Good morning, student. In the last class, we studied about the salt and its types. Today we will be discussing about basicity of an acid, acidity of a base, and then the preparation of acid. First of all, basicity of an acid. Basicity of an acid means the number of a replaceable hydrogen atom present in an acid. What does this mean? The number of replaceable hydrogen atom. For example, if we take hydrochloric acid, in hydrochloric acid the number of hydrogen is 1. Therefore, the only one hydrogen atom can be replaced by a base. The number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in an acid is called basicity of an acid. So, in HCl, the basicity of an acid is 1. If we take H2SO4, here the basicity of an acid is 2. If we take H3PO4, phosphoric acid, here the number of replaceable hydrogen atom is 3. So we can define basicity of an acid as the number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in an acid. Now the second part was acidity of a base. In the similar manner, acidity of a base means the number of replaceable hydroxide ion present in a base. The number of replaceable hydroxide ion present in a base. For example, if we take sodium hydroxide, here the number of replaceable hydroxide ion is 1. If we take magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, here the number of replaceable hydroxide ion is 2. So we can define acidity of a base as the number of replaceable hydroxide ion present in a base. Now the third point, today we will be studying about the preparation of acid. There are two methods for the preparation of acid. The topic is preparation of acid. First method is the synthetic method. Synthetic method is the direct combination method. What do you mean by direct combination method? In this synthetic method, we combine two or more elements directly in the presence of some special factor. The factor can be electricity, the factor can be heat, etc. So, for example, when hydrogen combines with chlorine in the presence of electric spark, here the external factor is electric spark. So, here we are seeing that hydrogen and chlorine is combining directly, and the factor present to combine hydrogen and chlorine is the electric spark. When hydrogen and chlorine combines in the presence of electric spark, then hydrochloric acid is formed in the form of gas. Further, when this hydrogen chloride gas combines with water, it gives the liquid form of acid, hydrochloric acid. So, what is the synthetic method? It is the direct combination method in which two or more elements combines directly in the presence of some external factor. Over here the external factor was electric spark. The second method is by the combination of acidic oxide with water. What do you mean by acidic oxide? Acidic oxide is non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide is called acidic oxide. Similarly, if we say basic oxide, then basic oxide means metallic oxide. So when we combine acidic oxide, that means non-metallic oxide with water, then acids are formed. For example, if we take SO3, sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide when combines with water, it forms H2SO4. For example, another example we take carbon dioxide. It is also a non-metallic oxide. Carbon is a non-metal. When it combines with water, it forms H2CO3, carbonic acid. So here we are seeing in the second method of preparation that acidic oxide such as sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide combines with water to form acid such as H2SO4 and carbonic acid. These are the method of preparation of acid.